Trees certainly are amazing in that they provide so much beauty and so many ecological functions while alive, and many more even after they die. I love coming across a verdant green mossy nurse log, or stump, to see forest succession in action. A nurse log is a fallen tree which, as it decays on the forest floor, plays an important part in forest ecology, providing ecological facilitation services to many species of plants and animals in the forest itself. Nurse logs serve as nurseries to seedlings, providing essential shade, nutrients, water, and protection from disease and pathogens. They offer seedlings and many other plant species a moist, nutrient-rich environment in which to grow. The gap they open in the forest canopy also allows sunlight to reach the forest floor, further supporting growth. Here's how it happens. A tree in the forest is blown down in a storm, falling to the forest floor. Over time, mosses, lichens, fungi, and leaf litter cover the fallen tree. As it becomes covered, the log's decay is expedited and a number of biological processes start to take place, contributing to the breakdown of lignin in the wood. Lignin is a group of polymers found in the cell walls of many plants, making them rigid and woody. Lignin helps to form the tree's structural tissues, particularly the wood and the bark. The breakdown or biodegradation of lignin is facilitated by microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria. Thus, nature begins to cycle the nutrients of the tree back into living organisms. Seeds from the surrounding trees land or are carried to the log, where they begin to take root. Roots grow from the seedlings down into the log along with fungi and mycorrhizae, where they feast on the decaying tree, providing nutrient-rich sustenance for the seedlings and plants. Small animals such as squirrels are also attracted to nurse logs, where they perch to eat, leaving behind their food debris, seeds, and scat. Nurse logs also provide great habitat for many types of insects and salamanders. Check under a fallen limb or log to find all of the myriad of creatures that depend on this dark, moist environment, but be sure to put it back. Over time, all of this organic matter and detritus that collects on a nurse log contributes to the formation of a rich humus that provides a seedbed and adequate conditions for germination. Humus is a dark soil that forms when plant and animal matter decay. It is rich in organic matter and loaded with the nutrients nitrogen and phosphorus. Holes and niches in the bark become filled with this humus soil, as well as moss, mushrooms, and small plants such as ferns. It can take many decades for a nurse log to decay completely, and by that time, the seedling's roots are thick and strong and they can stand on their own. A new forest is on its way. Undisturbed forests contain dead and dying trees. When a forest is logged, wood is taken from the forest, removing nutrients and potential nurse logs and all of the benefits they provide, while also altering the succession and ecology of the forest. Responsible logging practices can leave some of these logs behind, helping to facilitate healthy soil and the next generation of growth.